Alright, I gotta do this. So this video is gonna teach you how to import prefabs or models into Unity for VRChat, and then obviously this is gonna teach you how to save it into your computer so you can like mess around with it in the future. Alright, so obviously you're at this point in Unity. Obviously it's the 2019.4.31 edition. It has both PC and mobile support, so you can upload it to Quest. And you got your SDK here, and all that. You got, pretty much at this, just seeing this in your screen, you're good to go. All right, and obviously all you need here is just Unity, Internet of, and access to your file explorer. Over here, this is where you're gonna create a folder and save your prefab or presumably the model and the textures. And how you do it, it's simple. I'm not sure how it works on Mac, but all you have to do is just minimize this screen right here. Just minimize that's the Unity screen, and then go to your File Explorer. You can just search it up, File Explorer, or like File Manager should be anywhere there. All right, and then you're gonna, over here it's on my screen. It's all a lot of stuff going on, but don't get discouraged. Just go find a good spot to save or create a folder. So you can do it in Documents. You could try downloads, or I have an external hard drive, so I can just do it in there. Right here, just right click, new folder. All right, I'm just gonna name this folder um, save stuff tutorial, and let me just put an A so I can just put that on the top. So like, see right there, a save stuff tutorial right here. All right, it's empty because it's brand new. All right, now you're done. You could exit that out. Or just keep it on. Now I'm going to use a prefab. This website is called VRC Mods. It's free to use for anyone. If you want to get started, it's a great place. And these free prefabs come with a lip sync, eye tracking, and all that. Let's start off with a prefab. Oh, let's try Kermit, since I already tested this one out. All right, just gonna search it. Watch out for this website though, because it does pop up some stuff. Just make sure you carefully click the right stuff. Alright, so click on Kermit the Frog here by Ted Bucket. Alright. Yes. That. So I'm just going to click on download. Now, I don't have an account, so it's going to take me 30 seconds to download this. Don't worry. This website is safe. It's great for newcomers and everyone, building avatars or worlds for VRChat. Alright, so while that's getting done, let's see. So, I got Unity, all that stuff. Alrighty, just gonna wait a little bit here while I drink my thing. Alright, obviously I'm not a robot. Download Unity package. Alright, and then you see right here it just pops up. I'm not sure how it is on Mac, but hopefully you just found it in download. So once you're here, you can either just right click, show and explore, or open. Or if you're like me, you could just literally just click on thing. No, it will just pop your Unity thing here on the bottom right of this tab. Just click on import, and boom. So you have your model, or for me, Kermit. I have Kermit now. You could just put him into the scene here and see how everything looks. He looks good as always. And yeah, and now this is the part where if you want to save it in your computer so you can mess around with them in Blender or something like that. It's pretty simple. Minimize your screen, or if you don't have to, not really. Alright, and then open your File Explorer. You can open this back up. Go to the folder that you opened or created to save the model and textures. Here it is here. So now I go to the bottom of my screen, or you could just bring the tab back here. And all you have to do is in Assets, you see this? This is it's not a prefab, but just the model itself. You can just click and drag it into this blank space of the folder, and boom, there you go. Now, sometimes some computers won't let you do that. They won't let you drag it into the folder. What you can do is right-click on the model, show and explore. All right, now you can just minimize that. Don't exit it out. CC Kermit. Now you can drag it onto the folder there again, or you can right-click, copy, then back to the folder where you want to save it. Control V, or paste, either one, and boom, you have your model. Alrighty? And the same thing goes for the textures. Don't forget about the textures. Now in textures, sometimes the prefabs here come through materials. So in Kermit, go to, or for my model, materials, and it's these square things right here. Now I'm just gonna select both of those, gonna drag it into my save stuff tutorial folder, and boom. So now if I just right click here, view large icons, I see I got my model and my textures, and that is pretty much it. Now you can, you know, you can exit out Unity. Now I'm just gonna save this. You can open up Blender here. Let me just open up Blender, file, import, FBX. All models that are from VRChat, VRC mods are mainly FBX files. So let me just go save stuff, tutorial, Kermit, and boom, there you go. I have Kermit. Now I can mess around with him and, change whatever I like give him shoes, hats, or stuff like that. And yeah, hope this tutorial helps. I'm gonna show you how to do thumbnails and modify or like do stuff with these models in the future videos. All right, you're welcome.